Okay, we got another update on the nitrous here, the nitrous install. We've got the line run. I don't know whether that's going to focus in there right or not. Doesn't look like it will. Anyway, got the line run up there to the solenoid, and it comes down along the side of the engine underneath the car. And then back here to the trunk. Goes into the filter, into this Y manifold for the bottles. We've got that pretty much run and done. But something else I've been working on is, ain't that pretty, huh? The fuel cell. And she runs, the fuel line runs down then into the fuel pump. I put these rubber isolator legs on there. I think that looks pretty sharp. Let me see if I can pull back. This is as far back as I get. That's a nice looking trunk area there, isn't it? Anyway, let me go ahead and show you where the fuel pump is for the dedicated fuel cell. And there we are. That's all the line I got running, because I got to make every one of these lines. But then hopefully tomorrow we'll get this other line run up to a regulator that's going to be up there towards the front of the car, and a return line coming all the way back. Anyway, that's the update for today. Welcome back to the garage. We're out here today, and it's as you can probably hear, it's raining out there pretty good. So I thought I would check some fuel lines that I made for the fuel cell. It goes up there into the plate system for the nitrous. Got a little trick that I'll show you. Pressure test these things in some water. That way you can find out whether they're going to leak or not. Airline here, and right now it's set to a little over 100 psi. We're going to go ahead, and since we don't need that much, we're going to go ahead and turn this thing down. We're going to be running 50 psi, so let's go ahead and turn this thing down to about 80 or so, and that'll give us plenty to pressure to work with. And then we're going to take this little test fitting here that I made, and it's just basically a AN6 line with AN6 fitting with a hose line on there, air hose chuck, and this little piece right here, which is just a stopper basically. Okay, so what I've done is I threaded the air hose end to one end of the AN fittings. I threaded the stopper into the other. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the one end into this bucket, like so. And I'm going to plug the other end into the air hose at 80 psi. Oh, look at that. She leaks like a sieve. Almost looks like it's boiling water out there. So this hose is no good. As a side note, I've already tested all these, and none of them are any good. I got a bad batch of AN fittings, and to save some time, I just went ahead and ordered the hoses. Anyway, that's a little quick down and dirty on testing these lines for pressure, make sure they don't leak. And that's all I got for now. We're waiting on the lines.